Hi friends, welcome to Free Education Point. Today we are discussing about tungsten filament bulb. So this one is glass protected tungsten bulb and this is without glass protecting tungsten bulb. Okay, so today we are talking about this type of bulb. Mean when glass is broke or pull out, so that time does we switch on supply or not. So we talking about this type of tungsten bulb. Now you can see the internal construction of this bulb and all the parts of this bulb. This is the tungsten filament, you can clearly see. Okay, this filament is made of tungsten, that's why this bulb called tungsten filament. Okay, this is three wires of supporting wire, this called supporting wires which support filament. This is leads, current flowing through these leads and then filament and then come out through these leads. This is called stud. This is boynet. This is pins, and now you can see this is a hole on this glass. Okay, this hole is used to vacuum the glass. Firstly we pull out all the gases and means we suck all the air in this glass and then filled this glass with gases like argon or nitrogen. Argon gas is used to protect the filament, and after filled the gases we close or block this hole with the help of heat. Now we give the supply to this bulb and see what happen when this filament is contact in with the oxygen and moisture of atmosphere. So today's purpose is when the glass cover means glass is open or broke, that time does we should switch on supply or not. So let's switch on the supply and see what happen with this filament. Okay, now we switch on the supply and see what happen with this filament. As you see, this filament is totally burned without glass, and when we use glass this filament is not burned and give good light and heat. So now we find the result that when filament means this tungsten come into the contact of atmospheric oxygen, the filament will blow out or burn. This filament is totally burned and broke with other side.